I'm Rishi Gupta from 25 Terawatts. AI has been around for not 7, not 10, not 15, not 50, but nearly 75 years. That's right. Going from now ChatGPT, we are looking back into time to when the first application of AI was born. Right now, AI can predict your energy bills, prevent errors from occurring. It can talk to you like a friend, like a therapist, like a coach, like a yoga instructor, even clean your house using an automated vacuum cleaner. But it didn't all just come into being suddenly. And it's not ChatGPT that brought AI into this world. So we'll be going back all the way from 2025 to 1950s. And some of these AI applications you may not have even noticed. So stick around till we explore all these AI features that have developed over time and have made life easier for human beings and for even animals. Because by the end of it, I'll give you reasons to want to engage. Maybe have AI help you make your life easier, help you do more of what you love and less of what you don't. Here I talk about everything to do with energy and AI. So the 2020s have seen an application of smart homes, predictive maintenance of solar panels, of wind farms. We can know before errors are about to happen, things are about to break, and fixes can be put in place so that the performance of all these systems is optimized and the energy output stays efficient. The energy consumption forecasting came from smart grid optimization and machine learning models trained on historical data. AI can now predict where power is going to be needed, how much, and how is it going to get there in the most optimum fashion. By recognizing patterns, what is going on that leads to failures, AI is able to predictively tell you because the data that we have from before is used to recognize that before an error is about to happen, these parameters change in this sort of fashion. So now AI can predict by seeing all those patterns emerging a little bit early on so that the error doesn't happen in the first place. This is some of the clever stuff that's been happening since the 2020s. Now new tools are being developed that can do so much more. Going back a little bit in the 2010s, this is where maps came along. Yes, Google Maps, which was able to process data for traffic in real time and suggest routes that you could take to get to your destinations faster. Using the phone's camera to unlock the device on your phone or laptop came about in the 2010s. Your phone can now see and recognize your face instantly by seeing thousands of points. But this technology started out with looking at just a few points. Another very basic application of AI was suggestions of products on e-commerce websites. Amazon now suggests products at ease. It knows what you want to buy. Now you have applications like Netflix and all these streaming platforms that know what you would like to watch, or at least it makes some suggestion. In the 2000s, sensors and transducers were developed which were able to sense all this data. And my favorite and most counterintuitive application of AI, the spell check. Yep, that came about in the 2000s as well. It was able to know what word you were wanting to write even before you wrote it. Yes, it became predictive. ChatGPT was not when predictive technology started. Spell check was there in the 2000s, which was able to predict in terms of forming a sentence and correcting words that you may have misspelled. Then there was email spam filtering. Yep, that also came about in the 2000s. There were simple algorithms to detect if emails were sent as spam, as in mass sending, or if they were individually directed from one person to another. Let's go back another few years, another decade back. In the 1990s, AI was designed that beat Gary Kasparov at chess. Yep, that's right. That happened in the 1990s. It was IBM's Deep Blue that did that. Decades of game playing AI trained to win was finally able to do so. Various other advancements happened through the 80s, 70s, even 60s, but it all started back in the 50s. In 1956, the logic theorist was able to almost replicate human logic to solve maths problems like a mathematician. Back in 1956, AI was developed that was able to do that. AI is not a thing of now. AI is not just ChatGPT. It's logical reasoning developed and algorithms that ease the load for human beings. And it's been doing so for more than 70 years. Back in the mid 1950s, Checkers AI was born. And back in 1950, was the Turing test, which was designed to see if there was a computer that could imitate human logic and reasoning. That was in 1950. So my friends, it's been a long journey that AI has taken back from the 1950s to now in 2025, where we have chatbots almost sound lifelike. There are YouTube videos being made of people. There are sounds being replicated that have never existed before. It was this nascent technology of human beings trying to design something that emulated human logic and reasoning, of playing games. That's where it all began. So that was a bit of a whistle stop tour of how AI has come from the 50s to now in 2025. 75 years of evolution. So if you are curious about AI in terms of how it can make your life easier, how you can do more of what you love and less of what you don't, there's a link in the description. Click on it, book a call with me. We can have a quick chat about it. If not, no worries, just keep watching my stuff or don't watch my stuff. It doesn't matter to me, but it will matter to you if you are able to do more of what you love and you are able to do less of stuff that you don't want to do. Let AI do that heavy lifting. No frills, no nonsense, no sales bullshit, just a quick chat to explore what's possible. If not, no worries.